A common habit that beginners are making when buying filming equipment, maybe for a hobby, travel video, a simple vlog, is looking for expensive cameras that they might not use in its fullest capacity. With today's advanced technology, our mobile phones can actually be used for these kinds of filming. For this video, I will be using my Malta travel video as an example where I use Google Pixel 3 to film. Just a disclaimer, the rest of the video is filmed with my HUAWEI P30 Pro. So here are some of my tips. Explore your video settings. What video resolution does your phone offer? A most common one is HD 1080p 16:9, which is suitable in most platforms. This is what I use to film for my Malta video. Now, if you see 4K, it's HD times 2. Keep in mind that when filming in 4K, it will take more storage space. My phone only supports 30 frames per second. However, some phones offer more frames per second, such as 60, which is perfect for slow-mo. Assistive Grid. This helps you with framing. Where the lines meet are points that your eyes would find eye-catching. Now, this doesn't mean you're gonna put your subject in the center all the time. These are guidelines that will help you frame better. Horizontal level. Some phones may not have this option, but if you do have it, turn it on, as these features let you know if your camera is balanced or leveled. This again helps you with framing. Color. Select one that appeals to you. Remember, colors give a feeling. A yellowy orangey tone will give a warm feeling, and a blue tone will give you a sad feeling. What kind of feeling do you want your audience to feel when watching your video? If you don't want to do color grading when it comes to editing, then you can use this option. Extra features. Check if your phone gives you a slow motion or a time-lapse video option. Again, this was used in my Malta video. When it comes to editing, it was just an easy drop on my timeline. I also have a Pro feature on my phone, but I'm not going to highlight that. If that's something that you want me to do, then please do leave a comment below. The environment you are in. If you're gonna film yourself in front of a camera, before you press the record button, think about how your lighting is. Use natural light. Also, be aware of your background. Make sure it's not distracting to the viewer and complements what you will be talking about. Accessories. The money you were going to use to buy the camera, why not invest in accessories that will help you get those steady shots? For example, this mobile gimbal is exactly what I use for my Malta video. You can even get a tripod, a GorillaPod, or even a microphone. Practice. Learn the features on your phone and practice how to use them. Don't be discouraged if at the beginning you're not keen on your results. Just keep going and don't give up. Hey guys, I hope you found this information valuable, and I hope this encourages you to use your phone to film any types of video, and the portability of it for, to bring it for traveling is just so easy. I would definitely use that money to buy phone accessories, and if you like the content that you've just seen, please do like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a part 2 series where I will be I will be giving advice and tips on how you can edit for beginners. So, bye!